In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Leap's Interactive Brokers. We'll walk through the process in Trader Workstation, or TWS, the desktop platform from Interactive Brokers. Leaps are long-term options, typically with expirations a year or more out, and they're accessed the same way you'd find any option, just with longer-dated expiries. Let's start by opening TWS. Once the platform loads, make sure you're on a layout where you can see your watch list or a quote panel. This is where you'll enter the underlying ticker symbol for the stock or ETF you want exposure to. Type the symbol, select the correct instrument if prompted, and confirm it's showing live quotes. Next, open the option chain for that ticker. The quickest way is to right-click the ticker, navigate to Options, and choose Option Chain. If you prefer a dedicated options interface, you can also use Option Trader, which presents chains and order entry in one view. Either way, you're looking for the list of available expirations and strikes. In the option chain, scroll or expand to a long-dated expiration, 1 year out or more. That's what classifies the contract as a Leaps. Expirations are usually grouped by month and year. So take a moment to confirm the exact date that aligns with your strategy and the available liquidity. Wider bid-ask spreads are common in longer-dated options, so it's worth pausing to review volume and open interest before proceeding. Once you've chosen the expiry, find the strike that suits your plan and click the ask price for the call or put you want to buy. Clicking the ask opens an order ticket pre-filled with the contract details and the current market price. In the order ticket, set the action to buy and make sure it's set to open. Buy to open establishes a new long options position. It's important not to use a closing action unless you're exiting an existing trade. Enter the number of contracts you want. Remember, one options contract typically controls 100 shares of the underlying, so size accordingly. Now choose your order type, limit or market. A market order seeks immediate execution at the best available price, but with Leaps, spreads can be wide. So many traders prefer a limit order to control the fill price. If you choose limit, type in your desired limit price, ideally informed by the mid-price between the bid and ask. When everything looks correct, ticker, expiry, strike, buy to open, quantity, and price. Click Transmit or Submit to send the order. You'll see the order appear in your activity panel, and once it fills, the position will show in your portfolio. That's the complete process for buying Leaps in Interactive Brokers TWS.